Ebusia ma mema akwa banana so no yehwe sane ye create online business na ye dey make money online. Enti ene no you focus on blogging. Because blogging na ayeden, what is niche and how to make money online from the blog na obe blogging. Okay, and high CPC niches in so no. E was say wo home. Metro baby about hosting and a domain now they create a website. It's a one website developer. Metro send a create website. A be crap for free. Okay, and I'm saying obe apply to Google AdSense. Nowadays are making money online. Into trafficking so make sure you can so be traffic at your website and so and until no yeah share. Blogging say odi bribi eto internet ni so na obi abekenkan ehunu adekode na opese wokyere no ade bia na opese wokyero na odi to internet ni so no blogging. Okay, nti say blogging so na ye wo niche bia niche no adekode port ya opese wo ka ho asem no nti obi ho no ma wo say okay me de meye news ne kra no meye entertainment news nko obi se meye agricultural news nko obi se meye we meye se okay ene ne niche no afi ekwan ben na obefa so say me create blog na menya sika edi efremu akwan ne de bebre obetimi enya sika through affiliate marketing. Okay, and now between so make money through say signing up to advertising network to say be a Google AdSense. Okay, one of the easiest way which media making money from your blog and they say obe submit it to Google AdSense na say onum approve when ya sika de free ho depending on in parodwa ebeba website ne so abehwe u post na abe ready u post no na oma click on advert na Google ebe serve website ne so no say you drew Google AdSense aspect na me chekire mu yie na what ya see. Okay, into we nyina no obetimi de make sika e de free ho and obetimi so e de make money e wo mra wo ye personal blogging e de ama e bia artist bi campaign bi anase bibi e chesa se o stand ye wo ye woni ama ye wo chiro ye o ma website no e rank na so hwe bibi apepepa aside from Google AdSense ne kwa no obenya companies e ma wono be advertise on product e wo website and so follow tutorial no kwesi ewieye na menchira kwanya befa so be blog and why ye pa. All right, okay, afa ye high CPC niches no yes niches no ade a we ni je ho a opese wo okay eno ni we niche no. Okay, but in this case no ho blogging no ayana enye niche bia ena ewo high CPC ni means say CPC means cost per click. Say ye fa say we sign up to Google AdSense na say wonum advert ewo website ne so a nipa ba ko bia na ana say every clicker obenya ewo website ne so no ewo sika obenya. Okay, some of the niches no some run advert no ewo so a aya na clicks na wonya no sika ne ye nkete ebi nso de encouraging ebi de so and I say o CPC ne so no ebe ko high so a aya na ejina country ko a obenya o clicks no edi free into country ben na what target. I think say my state no has say high CPC countries or some other countries. Okay, because some of those high CPC countries into say when you traffic no from US, UK, Canada, any incrobia tesana CPC no ayana ekosro. Okay, into na listed some of the high CPC niches na which me a blogging about na also with me they are making money online. In the first one, insurance and health and fitness, and also CPC in a year. Or blogging on make money online, so and also CPC in a year and technology, and also CPC in a year travel, automobile, blogging and SEO, and also say blogging on blogging na kasa so CPC no also unya encouraging CPC. And I the hobby so forex exchange or blogging on forex exchanger and web and app development also attorneys and lawyers I say the craziest niche say blogging also unya highest CPC electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, beauty and fashion, cryptocurrency, gardening, entertainment, animal care and training, and advertising. Bebre eka home nti 19 points na mede amount. Obetimi ayo wankasa research, okay? Na wahwehwe high CPC niches nti we mu nyina no go through a emu de ebebo na akasa we take a decision say me go into ebia entertainment, me go into web and app development, me kwa ha. Okay, now what started say tro articles de afa sa niche na opese oye no nti say oye ebia forex exchanger men kon kofa breaking news and say entertainment news in the frafra nti no ebusia high CPC niches no and also na machire mo no afa yan hwe kwan befa so a yebenya website domain afa why was our research ni nyina ewie no wo hu blogging wo hu niche wo hu sane obe making money from blogging. Okay, hono kra bebre hono me besan so kan wo hwechire wo hu highest CPC niches a obetimi a blogge e wo ho na wotimi nya sika bebre. Okay, ni nyina emu no obehia website ena wo de aye nti ekwan person na obey website na ena say o your website so a definitely obehia domain na wasan so ehia hosting. Domain eye o website ni din say bia odi kojo. Okay, kojo ni ye wudi nti any edin bia na obey decide say wo de bema o website no ene ne o domain name no nti ebia kojo.com, kojo.org, kojo.info, kojo.say, we.say eno any domain name no nti Google one domain name eye gogo.com, my domain name eye obitechsolutions.net and I say africatrends.com and any of my domains ni nyina no eno no nti unso obe decide on domain ko a opese o use. Okay, and after hosting no eye bribia ana company bia wonum ebeji sa documents na we di begu website ni so nyina esie any ade bia na owo ewo website ni so bia no hosting no ena ebe kora sa ne man de amount it say obi ebie o domain na hosting company no add information na wo de amane say one store ma no ade amane pa no na nipa ne hunu adekode ya ewo o website ni so entie no obehia hosting any domain wo hwe video description na say medi baby a obenya powerful hosting and domain ede atoho ede amount. Okay, nti se opese wo tobi every Ghana through mobile money which me use link na ewo video description no ase meba na me ne wa be practical example na ya hwe kwan be fa so a ye beto no na ye de edwuma ana face mesan so actual senior obe develop a website no. Okay, nti nye problem kra wonye website developer me ha ho macho senior obe develop a blog no personally na we de edwuma. Okay, one thing se say bit me create free website na ye de aya blogging no into the member na ha kra na say obe subscribe to channel na turn on notification bell no send be ya some the video bia ba na won so wetimi enya amanebo in first video no be teten bom ba ko nti me do si wa ha say na masan so aye biem na ma kire de didi ho no na won so hu kwan be fa so a obeye blogging na bibia akoyie nti aya me nhia wa sa video nim makra for now.